So before I left, sometime, we learned this formula here, AN equals A1 plus D times N minus 1, right? And what they want us to do is come up with an explicit formula, meaning a cleaned up equation to find any nth term. So this equation will be an equation that if I want to find the 30th term, I can just plug stuff in and find it. And I'm going to teach you how to do it and then check it, and then you know if you're right or not, so you don't hand in any bad problems. Okay, so we know A1 is negative 8, and what is D? What is D? Negative 10. So all we're going to do is say AN equals negative 8 minus 10 times N minus 1, and then you clean it up. So negative 8 minus 10N plus 10, which is negative 10N plus 2. And that is the answer. Now let's see if it's true. If I want to find the third term, I put 3's in here and a 3 in here, right? And that's negative 30 plus 2, which is negative 28. I go up here to the third term, and it checks out. So that is the answer to number 1. So we write it in the formula, AN equals A1 plus 30 times N minus 1, got it? Which is negative 35 plus 30N minus 30. So it's 30N, always put the N first, minus 65. Now if I were to build this sequence, what the first number would be negative 35. What would the second one be if we were adding 30? Negative 5. We add 30? 25. Well, let's see if that works. If we want to find the third term, we put a 3 here. And we have 90 minus 65 equals 25. So it's good. We checked it. So the answer is AN equals 30N minus 65. You do A 52nd equals 30 times 52 minus 65, whatever that is.